Today I'm going to show you 3 quick tips with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that makes filming a little bit easier, at least I did. Plus I have a bonus tip if you stick around. Come on, let's do it. Tip number 1. Okay, so you can hit record, and let's say you want to increase your exposure value. You can actually swipe to the left, and there you go. There's your EV. You can increase it or decrease it while you are recording. That's pretty cool. Tip 2. While you're recording, you can also swipe down here and you can change your gimbal mode. So you can go from tilt locked to follow, go back to tilt lock, okay? Go back, swipe up. You can do that too. So you can change your gimbal mode and also whatever else is highlighted here. You can change your screen brightness and all that jazz. All right, you can do that. Tip number 3. So with your DJI mic, you can actually start and stop recording. So here you hit that figure 8, which is your link button. You hit it. There goes the record. Hit it again. Stop recording. I find this to be a lot easier than using the voice control, though the voice control does work. I just find this to be a lot simpler. And now the bonus. Okay, so let's say you want to change some settings. So normally you would swipe down. Let's say you want to change the gimbal mode. You know, you switch it over here. Then you got to go back, you know, and swipe back up. When you can easily do it like this. You can scroll down, hit this, okay, and hit the joystick button to go back to where you were. I find that to be a lot easier. So you swipe down, hit the joystick button. You can also do it while you're recording. So let's say you want to change the gimbal mode. You hit, let's say this, hit the tilt locked. You can go back with the joystick button. So I hope those tips helped. If you have tips of your own, please drop in the comments. And by the way, with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I do shoot in auto. If you want to check out the video, you can check it out here. I don't know if this is going to work, but if not, I'm going to drop a link in the description. All right, so until next one, peace.